Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by confirming power and HDMI. Plug the Chromecast into a TV HDMI port and into power. Then, make sure your phone or tablet is on the same Wi-Fi network the device will use, because Discovery requires a shared network. Open the Google Home app and allow location and local network permissions so the app can find the Chromecast. Once the device appears, tap Setup and follow the on-screen pairing prompts to link it to your Google account. Now configure network and personalization options. When prompted, name the Chromecast and assign it to a room so voice and casting targets are clear. Choose 4 GHz if the Chromecast is far from the router, or 5 GHz for less interference when it's close. Link services like Spotify and Netflix in the account settings so casting is seamless. Also enable or disable guest mode and customize backdrop images. These choices affect privacy. Finish by testing casting from a familiar app like YouTube. Select the cast icon and pick your Chromecast, then confirm audio and video sync and resolution. If you see stuttering, check for firmware updates in Google Home and inspect router settings. Enable co-S or switch channels to reduce interference. If casting fails, restart the Chromecast and router. Make sure both devices are on the same network. Use factory reset only as a last resort, because that erases settings and forces a full resetup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.